Why do elderly people have a distinctive, unpleasant smell? 99% of people don't know. Ever walked into a room and noticed a particular scent associated with older individuals? It's a common observation, but what's the science behind this phenomenon? Prepare to uncover the secrets behind age odor and the chemical compound responsible. The distinctive smell often associated with elderly people is a real thing. It's not just a figment of imagination or a stereotype. This smell is commonly referred to as old person smell or age odor. While it might be a sensitive topic, understanding the science behind it can foster empathy and better care. The primary culprit behind this odor is a chemical compound called 2-nonenal. This compound is produced in the skin as we age and is responsible for the characteristic scent. 2-nonenal is the key compound responsible for the distinctive age odor. It's not just a random byproduct of aging. It's a specific chemical reaction at play. It is a volatile aldehyde, meaning it easily evaporates into the air. This volatility is why the smell is so easily detectable. The scent of 2-nonenal is often described as stale, grassy, and waxy. It's not a pleasant smell, and its presence can be a source of concern for some individuals. As we age, our bodies undergo various physiological changes. These changes can impact everything from our energy levels to our skin's composition. One significant change is the decline in antioxidant defenses. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. A decline in antioxidants means more free radical damage. Fewer antioxidants lead to increased oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Oxidative stress breaks down unsaturated fatty acids on the skin. These fatty acids are essential for maintaining skin health and elasticity. This breakdown process is called lipid peroxidation. It's a chain reaction that damages cell membranes and produces various byproducts, including 2-nonenal. The production of 2-nonenal typically begins around age 40. This is when the body's antioxidant defenses start to decline more noticeably. The production of 2-nonenal increases with age. As we get older, the rate of lipid peroxidation accelerates, leading to a greater accumulation of this compound. This explains why the smell is more noticeable in older individuals. The older someone is, the more 2-nonenal they are likely to produce. While the production of 2-nonenal is primarily a biological process, other factors can contribute to the intensity of age odor. These factors include diet, hygiene, medications, and underlying health conditions. A diet high in processed foods and saturated fats can exacerbate oxidative stress. These foods contribute to the production of free radicals in the body. Increased oxidative stress can potentially increase 2-nonenal production. A diet rich in antioxidants, on the other hand, can help mitigate this effect. Therefore, dietary choices can play a significant role in managing age odor. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health and can also impact body odor. Poor hygiene worsens the smell of 2-nonenal. Regular bathing and cleaning are essential for removing accumulated compounds from the skin. Infrequent bathing allows odor to accumulate. This accumulation can make the smell more noticeable and unpleasant. Inadequate cleaning of clothing allows odor to accumulate. Clothes can trap sweat and dead skin cells, contributing to the overall odor. Some medications affect body odor. These medications can alter the body's chemistry and affect the production of various compounds. Medications can affect body odor directly or indirectly. Some drugs may directly influence the production of odor-causing compounds, while others may affect bodily functions that indirectly impact odor. It's essential to be aware of the potential side effects of medications, including changes in body odor. Consult with a healthcare professional if you notice significant changes. Certain medical conditions contribute to changes in body odor. These conditions can affect the body's metabolism and the production of various compounds. For example, kidney or liver disease can alter body odor. These conditions can affect the body's ability to eliminate toxins, leading to changes in body odor. If you notice a sudden or significant change in body odor, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. It could be a sign of an underlying health condition. While the production of 2-nonenal is a natural part of aging, there are ways to manage age odor. These strategies include maintaining good hygiene, eating a healthy diet, and using appropriate skincare products. Maintaining good hygiene is crucial. Regular bathing with mild soap can help remove accumulated 2-nonenal from the skin. Eating a healthy diet rich in antioxidants, fruits and vegetables, can help reduce oxidative stress. Antioxidants can neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. Using appropriate skincare products can also help. Look for products that contain antioxidants or ingredients that help neutralize odor-causing compounds. The presence of 2-nonenal is a natural part of aging. It's a result of physiological changes that occur as we get older. Understanding the science promotes empathy. Knowing why age odor occurs can help us be more understanding and compassionate towards elderly individuals. Understanding the science promotes understanding. By understanding the underlying causes, we can develop better strategies for managing age odor and improving the quality of life for older adults. Ready to take control of your health and well-being? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on aging, health, and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment below and let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover. Click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.